Predict. You didn't choose the Q.
You bull.
He doesn't actually do anything. He just says language.
Wow.
That's true. That's true.
Like, what is he gonna do?
Yeah, what are you gonna do, Halo, if I curse?
What if I hit your kneecaps with a shovel?
What?
That's worrying, right? And yet he calls me the monster. And yet he calls. Oh, hang on 1 second. There's a child here.
What are you doing? I'm trying to go down.
Wait, how? Are you have to build like a... What's your favorite Teletubby? What am I, fucking 5? Poe.
Callahan, eat this diamond.
Alright, Eret. Take care. Say hi to chat from me. And Twitch.
We need to measure out 30 milliliters of water.
It's always tough, but you just gotta swig it down.
Ew!
There's a chicken! Roast him!
You're ugly! You're dumb! You're stupid! You're small! Look at him.